Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today I'm doing this tour of a 2019 Ford Transit van, and I love the storage and the details, and it's all done by them. The only thing that they have not done is they have an IKEA cabinet. So come check out the inside. Before I forget, it's an extended wheelbase. So what he said, because I'm not familiar with these vans, is that most of these stop back here. So they've got an extra long van, but they use every space. Look at the organization. There we go. It's magnet, people. Check this out. Is this not awesome? This stick they use to hold their cabinets. Look at how they've decorated. And these are just regular drawers. And then they've got my refrigerator. I want it. And then the lounge. More storage. Baby safety locks. They used to have a porta potty here, but not anymore. The step to get up in the van, the bed. And this is a queen mattress. And this is how they use this little gadget. It holds their tablet so they can watch movies. But look at how they've organized. And they've screwed these down on this board so it holds stuff. How amazing. They have MaxxAir fan. They've installed the window and the fan themselves. They got the swivel. The only thing they didn't build is this IKEA. And they said the only thing that didn't break on this, or nothing, this IKEA cabinet has been working, I think, for about 6 years. The handle is the only thing that's broke. This is all self-built. And then this drawer slides out. Look at how much storage they have down under here. They were telling me that this is what they use for their bathroom. So when you guys ask, that is what they use for the bathroom, because they do boondocking. And look at all the places they have been. It's amazing. And they've utilized even the doors. I need to get these screens for my van. So, and then they've got the electric here. They are gonna upgrade to lithium, but they've got the DC to DC, and they love it. So up there, they have the fan and also 3 100-watt solar panels. And then I was just talking to Jason, and he was saying that this Runsuzy is actually the Sure Power and the controller and the inverter. So that's like a 3-in-1 all right there. So that is very nice. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this van tour. And again, it was a 2019 Ford Transit Extended Wheelbase.